ASC Equipment has been around since the 1990s. We provide code-compliant solutions to our customers to solve some of the largest hurdles they'll face in the job, whether it's seismic, vibration isolation, or new innovative ways to hang ductwork and piping. At ASC Equipment, we work on commercial projects, most notably schools, hospitals, data centers, electric vehicle plants, and any opportunities that come across our customers' table, we like to come across ours as well. We take pride in building intentional relationships with our customers, servicing their needs as they arise. Not all things are equal, not all needs are the same. We have a lot of solutions and products on hand that we can quickly get delivered to job sites. We've been able to become our customers' trusted partner.
As a warehouse team, one of the biggest things for us is how we receive the material, how we work with that. When we receive our orders, our warehouse team pack everything in the right way, take all the material and put it with the right weight and box dimensions so customer can receive the material in the best way possible. ASC Equipment is a place where we can, improve in our career. 7 years ago, I started as part of the warehouse team, but 2 years ago, they gave me the opportunity to be part of the inside support team, and it was really good. It was challenging for me, but they trust that I can do the job, and it's been really great. It's been awesome.
We are employee-first organizations, so first and foremost, we care about our employees and their well-being, and ensuring they have what they need and have opportunity for growth in career and outside of work. Everybody is always eager to pick up the phone and just have a conversation to catch up about life or talk about work. It's a really fun environment to work in. What's really excited ASC Equipment about partnering with Gripple has been the innovative solutions and availability of products. So in our partnership, we've gotten access to a lot of groundbreaking and industry-altering product lines that are available and that we can get to job sites to our customers as soon as they need it. Our objective is to double in size in the next 5 years. Partnering with Gripple is going to help us achieve our goals because what we have shown is that we have a successful history in applying their product and using their innovations to grow in new markets. And being able to replicate that process with new customers and partnering with Gripple, we will continue to become a trusted partner across the United States.